WR12GS radiator guard. The supplied hardware, 4 M6 by 16 millimeter long bolts plus washers. The tools we're going to be using to install this product: ratchet plus an extension, T25 Torx to remove the OEM bolts, and a 3 millimeter Allen socket, or you can use a 3 millimeter Allen key. So the first thing you'll have to do using the T25 Torx is remove this bolt, and the same on the other side, and this OEM shield will come off. All right, so this is it. You have to pull it out, nice and simple. Don't force it, just pull it off gently. So now we're gonna remove the OEM rad guard, and there's only one bolt down here. Okay, so put the rad guard in place and then push the temperature sensor in as well, in that groove. Make sure that it's nicely seated in there. In case it's loose or it's moving, you can put some super glue to keep the temperature sensor in place. That's how it actually was on the OEM rad guard. So now that's done, you can grab the bolts. You can go ahead and put the bolts in. Both bolts, one on each side, through the top mounting holes. And then you can also go ahead and pull those bolts nice and snug, because we're gonna put the covers back on like that, so you're not gonna have access to the lower bolt. As you're tightening the bolt, do make sure that the top holes are gonna remain lined up, like so. All right, we're gonna put the cover back on. You can use the supplied bolts, our supplied bolts, or you can use the OEM bolt, either or. So when it's all done, when all the bolts are nice and snug, you can check those bolts again after a test ride. And should you have any more questions, you can reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can call toll-free 877-931-3636.